What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall a throttle body on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take this cover off, just grab underneath, lift up, slide it forward. All right, so I'm going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, and I'm going to loosen up the negative terminal on the battery. It's always a good idea to disconnect the battery when you're doing a job like this. All right, I'm going to remove this snorkel. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Take these two bolts out. Take a straight blade screwdriver. Loosen up this worm clamp right here. And then on this side, I can grab this. Pull it out. There is a intake temperature sensor right under here. Just push down on the lock, pull the connector out. Pull this hose off here. And we'll just slide this out and out of our way. I want to disconnect this electrical connector to the throttle body. I'll just use a straight pick. I want to pull this lock out a little bit. Just like that. Once that's out, should be able to push the lock down, pull the connector out. There's a little wire retainer right here. I'm gonna slide that off, just like that. Now I got it out. Just pull that out. All right, to take the throttle body off, I'm gonna use a 8mm socket and a ratchet. We'll take these 4 bolts off the front of the throttle body. Make sure you hold the throttle body when you get to the last bolt because you don't want the throttle body to fall. Let's slide that out. So you're going to want to check the seal, make sure the seal's okay. If it's ripped or torn, or if it seems like it's crushed, just grab a pick, pull it out, replace it. But this one looks pretty good, so we're just going to reuse it. Take the throttle body, take one of the bolts. There is 2 little pins right here, keep in mind. Those are going to line up with those little holes right there. I'll take my ratchet with my 8mm socket. I'll tighten these up. Now I'm going to tighten this with a torque wrench using the same 8mm socket. I'm going to tighten these in a cross pattern to 80 inch-pounds. We're going to plug this connector in right here and lock this lock down. Take this retainer right here, slide that right on there. Then we're going to slide this snorkel on, get this in position. Let's connect the intake air temp sensor connector. Just lock that in place. We can slide the snorkel on that side and then slide it onto the air box. Just like that. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, snug them down. I'm going to tighten up these worm clamps with a straight blade screwdriver, just snug. Same with this one. And reposition this hose, just like that. We're going to take this cover, these 2 slots, we're going to line up with those 2 pieces right there in the back, and then these are going to go into these little grommets right there, and just push it down. Make sure it's nice and tight. And I'll take this negative cable, slide it on the battery, take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, snug this up. Make sure you wiggle the cable, make sure it's nice and tight.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out oneaauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.